Good afternoon, everyone. It's a Saturday afternoon. I'm in the middle of the mountain in my neighborhood, and this is amazing. I've been utilizing everything this place can offer. So I started this morning with mountain bike. I went to the forest, and there is a separate mountain bike track. So at first you have to climb up and then downhill. So I repeated it twice, and that was amazing. After mountain bike in the forest, went to a coffee shop, a Kunz Cafe. It's a very famous local coffee shop where a lot of bikers actually stop by and having brunch and so on. So I had hot chocolate. Switzerland is very famous for chocolate, and I love hot chocolate in the coffee shop. And after that, I just pack a little bit for barbecue, and literally I walked up to this place and did some barbecue. And I was all alone here, and it's so peaceful, quiet, and this is amazing that you can enjoy this nature. The quality of life so great. So it's a Saturday. Where are you? Are you indoor, outdoor? If you are indoor, go out and explore what nature can provide you. So with that, I wish you a great weekend. Bye for now.